All right, let's talk about the rights that form the very backbone of Indian democracy. So, do you actually know the 6 essential rights that the Indian Constitution guarantees you?
Yep, there are 6 of them, and trust me, they are incredibly powerful.
Here's the list. They cover everything from equality and freedom to religion and education. They're called the backbone of the country, and for a very good reason. But what does fundamental actually mean here? What's the big deal? It all comes down to one key idea. They're justiciable, meaning you can enforce them in court. And that's way different from ordinary legal rights, which don't have that direct-to-the-top protection. Now, these rights didn't just appear out of thin air. They have a fascinating origin story. It's a journey that stretches from medieval England all the way to modern India. Our story kicks off in 1215 with some angry English barons confronting their king. They made him sign a charter to limit his power. This was a huge first step for citizens' rights. Fast forward to the late 1700s, when the French Revolution completely changed the game. That famous call for liberty, equality, fraternity lit a fire of inspiration across the globe. And back in India, leaders were watching, learning, and getting ready for their own fight. By 1928, things got serious. The Motilal Nehru Committee formally demanded a Bill of Rights. And finally, in 1950, all that struggle paid off. These rights were set in stone. So does set in stone mean they can never, ever change? Well, not exactly. Take the right to property. It used to be fundamental, but was later changed to a legal right. See, Parliament can make amendments, but a huge court case drew a very clear line in the sand. The Supreme Court ruled that the Constitution's basic structure, think democracy itself, is totally off limits. So let's recap. They're powerful, but not absolute. They can evolve, but their core is protected. These rights were won through centuries of struggle, which leaves us with one final thought. What's our role in protecting them today?